This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Phyllis Scarberry. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom/3-bath home located in a peaceful, private setting in Captiva Cay. Full iImpact windows and doors, roof replaced 2011, new AC March 2022, new dishwasher, new dryer 2022 and 3 new toilets. Fabulous location, no neighbors behind, covered screened patio and amp, a long driveway to park 6 cars. The kitchen features 42 inches cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, snack counter and amp, opens up to a spacious family room. Tile and laminate floors throughout, recessed lighting, laundry tub and amp, pull-down stairs for attic. The master suite is complete with a sitting area, custom walk-in closet, vaulted ceiling and amp, large bathroom with bidet. Lush beautiful landscaping and amp, 3 sets of French doors lead outside. West/I walking distance to town center, Publix, parks and amp, restaurants. For more information, review the details below.